Wix Blog App tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the blogs or the Wix blogs into your Wix website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on this platform. So basically this is the step after you have chosen the website and you're going to start working on it. Now, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to make sure that we have added the blogs into our website. If you do not have the Wix blogs, you can go ahead and head over to the apps, click on App Market, and it is going to show you the app market, of course, or the Play Store. Or not the Play Store, but basically the Wix App Market Store. So we're going to click on the search bar and type in Wix blog. Wix, like that. So it is going to be changing the language like that, and it is going to be having the Wix Blog app. So we are going to install this app. As you can see, it has been already installed, and we are going to find it here. So once we have opened or installed the app, we can go ahead and head over the blog. We're going to find the overview or the dashboard of the blogs, and we can go ahead and start creating posts, customize in the editor, for example, the personal styles and etc. On the blogs, you're going to have blog posts and also categories, which is going to have, let's say, identification for your blogs and also some taggings and labelings. So we can go ahead and head over the posts like that from this left side menu. Create the post into, for example, a language that we want. This is a new thing right there. I didn't know that it is going to let you see the languages, but it doesn't matter. So we're going to be on the editor, which is going to get all the space needed right there. You can have the help of the AI, which is going to be a new feature here, but I'm not going to use it. You can add, for example, from these drag and drop elements like images or image blog, galleries, videos, files, GIFs, some elements. As you can see, product, event, it is going to be a full stack editor. So you can go ahead and have also the settings, which is going to be the post settings, like the categories, the tags that you're going to mention, featured image or illustration, for example, the writer, the excerpts, and etc. For the text editor, it is going to be very simple, nothing complicated right there. Everything is going to be in your side to create the best, let's say, or in the best atmosphere that you can be creative or innovative with. You can set up the, as you can see here, the title and also start writing, and you can add whatever you want. So for example, you can add images by having only the, as you can see here, this specific dash, or you can go ahead and add, for example, from these blogs. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.